This 64 Thunderbird is called the Pimp Car. It's been spray painted purple, as you can see, and spray painted black the chrome. If you look inside here, you will see it's got Gorilla skin covers for the seats, an AstroTurf floor. Yes, my friends, AstroTurf floor, and a purple roof. Hairy roof, look at that. Unbelievable. The guy literally spray painted the entire dashboard purple, and he even spray painted the windshield wipers all over the window. If you look in the engine, there, the engine's pretty good. The engine's nice and solid, new, no rust on the car, no rust on the floor. But man, what a hack job for now, until it's actually painted. This, my friends, is the 1964 Thunderbird. I cannot even believe my eyes. This was the original color of the car, a blue, as you can see. And the guy literally spray painted the entire thing purple. Oh my God. This was an estate sale. The guy recently died. Didn't get to finish this project. He was a sheriff. But man, oh man, look at that. That's all spray paint. Just completely spray painted this and put Gorilla all over this thing. I cannot believe it. Well, I got it for real cheap, so no rust whatsoever. It's a real nice $800 car. 800 bucks. So you know what? It's sort of worth it. It's a lot of worth it, to be honest with you.